Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your profile QR code and share it on other social media platforms. The process is very simple, but to save you from searching too much within the app, stay until the end of this short video. Open the Messenger app. I've installed the latest update of this app, so you'll need to have the latest version of the Messenger app too. To create a QR code, click on the settings icon. Now click on this icon here. Then simply click on the small QR code icon in the top right corner of the screen. And here's the generated QR code for my profile. QR code technology is the most used today for easily creating links to various locations on the internet. To share your profile, click on the Share button. Depending on the number of installed apps on your phone, the apps through which you can share this QR code will be displayed here. Choose the app you want. The recipient will receive your code, and by clicking on it, it will open a chat with you in Messenger. And that's it. Support us by subscribing to our channel.